Hi, my name is Sharon Hamilton. I teach 8th grade science at Mountain Home Junior High in Mountain Home, Arkansas. Strive definitely has taken me out of my box. This experience has impacted my teaching skills by allowing me to incorporate new and innovative STEM skills in my science classroom. Strive has allowed me to connect my students and community with real-world STEM careers. I had 2 placements during my Strive opportunity. My first placement was Meeks Building Supply in Mountain Home. Meeks provides building and home improvement supplies along with services for contractors and remodelers in the building industry. I was also placed with Contractors Truss Systems in Cotter, which manufacture roof and floor trusses for home and commercial structures. I collaborated closely with all the departments at both of my placements. While at Meeks, I got to experience sales and inventory, delivery, safety, logistics, outside contractor sales, measurement of windows and doors, warehouse, which included lumber types and grades, insulation types and usage, field merchandisers, and I was also involved in a store reset. While at Contractors Truss, I got to experience blueprint design of the trusses, the actual truss production, safety, and then delivery and logistics of the trusses that were manufactured. I thoroughly enjoyed my time with both companies and gained a lot of knowledge and experience with the construction community to take back to my classroom. It was during my time with Meeks that led me to develop my STEM lesson on thermal energy transfer and insulation. Our first investigation was the Jovio versus Yeti Mugs Insulation Challenge. Jovio Drinkware invented a mug that claimed to keep beverages at a perfect, consistently warm temperature for 2 to 3 hours. We compared a Jovio and Yeti mug and recorded our data to find out. Jovio's claim was correct. We then conducted an insulation lab. In this lab, students learned how insulation affects heat transfer by constructing models of homes and comparing their ability to keep heat out using various insulation materials. This investigation allowed my students to use several STEM skills, such as communication, problem solving, math logic, engineering design, and the ability to work cohesively in a group setting. These definitely are skills I observed at both my workplace experiences. Students took an anticipation guide pre and post assessment on our insulation unit. This graph compares pre and post test data for 2 classes labeled C1 and C2. The color bars represent the percent of students that were correct for test questions before and after our insulation lessons. We had the pleasure of having a visit from 2 Meeks insulation specialists to our classroom. They discussed insulation, various STEM construction careers in our area, and demonstrated a thermal imaging camera. They also visited with students about their insulation home models. The students were so excited to get to share their findings with them. The Strive grant opportunity allowed me to purchase all the equipment and materials needed for our in-depth insulation lesson. My Strive experiences allowed me to be involved in and exposed to many building industry careers in the Mountain Home area and to share these experiences with my students.